Video opens with an energetic, modern graphic title sequence, 2026. GMC, the future of professional grade. Upbeat, rock-infused track playing softly in the background. Camera is on the host, standing next to a CGI render or a sleek, dark teaser image of the new GMC. Host, hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Car Zoomer. You know, I'm a truck guy, and if you're watching this, you probably are too. For the past year, we've been hearing whispers, rumors, and seeing some heavily camouflaged spy shots, but now the wait is almost over. We're finally getting a real look at the 2026 GMC, and trust me when I say this is more than just a refresh, it's a revolution. GMC calls itself professional grade, and they are definitely stepping up their game for this new generation. We're talking about a vehicle that blends that signature rugged capability with luxury and technology in a way no past model has before. I'm going to walk you through everything we know so far, the new look, the engines, the tech, and what you can expect to pay when it hits the lots. Let's dive in. Visuals switch to a fast-paced montage of design sketches, CAD models, and high-quality beauty shots of the exterior, focusing on the grille and lights. Host, first up, let's talk design. GMC has always had that bold, squared-off, commanding presence, and thankfully that's not going anywhere, but they've refined it. It looks tighter, more athletic. The front end gets a major update. The grille is absolutely massive. It's got this intricate, almost architectural texture, and it's flanked by the signature C-shaped LED headlamps, but they're sharper, thinner, and look seriously futuristic. It's a design that says, I mean business, but it also looks like it belongs on a luxury vehicle. Around the side, the lines are cleaner. They've focused on aerodynamics without sacrificing that muscular shoulder line, giving it a much more sophisticated stance than the previous generation. And yes, the legendary multi-pro tailgate is back, but rumor has it they've added a few more tricks to its repertoire. They're making a statement with the exterior, telling the world this isn't just a workhorse anymore. It's a premium machine. Visuals transition to engine diagrams, footage of the truck driving both on-road and off-road, and a graphic illustrating the hybrid system. Host, okay, let's get under the hood, because this is where things get really exciting, especially for those of us who appreciate both power and efficiency. The standard engine lineup is still there. We're talking about the beloved Turbomax 4-cylinder and the powerful V8 options, but the massive news is the introduction of a new hybrid powertrain. Now, this isn't some weak little battery slapped onto a gas engine. The speculation is that it mates the phenomenal 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel with a sophisticated electric motor system, creating a blend of high torque, incredible towing capability, and finally, some serious fuel efficiency gains for a full-size truck. Think about that. A hybrid that still gives you the brute force and towing capacity you need, with a little blue accent on the badging to show off its eco-conscious power. It's exactly the kind of move GMC needed to make to challenge the competition. And honestly, it sounds like the best of both worlds. They're not getting rid of the V8, but they are giving you a genuinely compelling, powerful, and efficient alternative. 345 to 5 o'clock, off-road and capability features. Visuals focus on the AT4X trim, deep mud trail driving, close-ups of the tires, suspension, and underbody skid plates. Host, for all the adventure seekers and off-road enthusiasts out there, the AT4 and the top-tier AT4X trims are more capable than ever. The AT4X continues to be the king of the dirt, offering features like the incredible Multimatic DSSV. Dampers, those are the advanced spool valve shocks that give you phenomenal control over rough terrain. But the real game changer is the continued use of electronic locking, front and rear differentials. That combination is still exclusive to GMC in its class, and it means you are getting ultimate traction when you need it most. They've also refined the terrain mode to work even better with the new hybrid systems. Instant torque delivery. Plus, look for things like beefier skid plates and an optional steel bumper designed for winch capability right from the factory. GMC isn't just adding a lift kit, They're building a factory-tuned monster that's ready to conquer any trail. 5 o'clock to 6:45. The interior, a luxury redefinition. Visuals move inside the cabin, showcasing the digital screens. Stitching, wood trim, and a shot of someone using the massage seats. Host, step inside. And this is where you truly understand the professional-grade luxury upgrade. The previous interior was good, but this new on.